Hey guys, in this video we're checking out the best board games for couples. For you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Jenga Classic Game. Jenga game has been around for quite some time. It is a block game. You have to place the blocks upon one another so that the stack does not crash down. It consists of 54 hardwood blocks in total. There are instructions on the stacking sleeve. You have to ensure that you erect the entire stack without making it fall. The hardwood blocks are durable, which means that you can play this game again and again. The timeless game can help you keep your family and friends entertained. It requires skill and luck but also a proper strategy. That is why it is so exciting. You win when you pull out a single block without crashing the entire stack design. It is suitable for players above the age of 6. You can play it on a solo basis or along with your whole group. If you're looking for one of the most classic games, you can consider this option. At number 4. Days of Wonder Ticket to Ride. The next board game on our list is suitable for 2 to 5 players. It has a lot of replay value. The replay value means that you will not get bored. The average playtime is between 30 minutes to 60 minutes. It consists of 225 different colored train cars. The game aims to connect the different iconic cities across the United States. The players can claim the routes between these two cities. The player who claims the maximum number of train routes wins the game. The unique nature of the game along with a high amount of competition makes it a good choice. It comes along with the destination tickets, scoring markers, train car cards, colored train cars and much more. There is also a booklet which makes it easy for you to understand the game. It is one of the most popular family games of all times. At number 3. What Do You Meme? Party Game. Memes have become quite popular in recent times. That is why, when looking for the most entertaining board games for adults, you cannot miss this one. It is adults-only game. Anyone above the age of 17 can play the game. You have to create the funniest memes. You have to use the dealt caption cards to caption the photo in each round. The person who creates the most amusing meme is the winner. It consists of more than 435 play cards. You can use 75 photo cards as well. Thus, you have to match them with the right card to create the funniest meme. The game is one of the best options when having an adult get-together. It is not only humorous but thoroughly entertaining. At number 2. Exploding Kittens. NSFW Edition. If you're looking for a fully adults-only board game, you can consider the next option on this list. It is NSFW game. It is suitable for up to 5 players. There are 56 cards in a box, and it comes along with instructions. It is similar to Russian roulette, but an adult-themed one. You have to draw the cards on the table, and if you get the exploding kitten card, you will be out of the game unless you have the defusal play cards. You can also skip your turn with the help of the cards which allow you to do so. The combination of various cards makes it pretty attractive. Thus, when looking for an adult-only game, this game is a pretty good option. Finally at number 1. Cards Against Humanity. If you have an unusual sense of humor, you will surely like this game. It has over 150 newer cards. It is version 2.0. The total number of white cards is 500, and the black ones are 100. It means that you can play it again and again without any problem. The rules booklet makes it easy to follow the game. If you want to make it more unusual, there is a second set of rules available as well. All that we can say about this game is that if you have a dark sense of humor, you will certainly like this game. The game revolves around the person asking the question from a black card in each round. The other players answer with the funniest white card which they can find in their stack. The game is simple enough, yet the combination of questions and answers makes it interesting. Thus, if you like dark humor, this is the game which you should play. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, Please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.